with Miss Katie.
Whoa! S-H!
Shh!
Listen.
Shh!
S-H says shh.
Shh!
Sheep! Sheep! Ha. S-H says
Shh!
Baa, baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Black like a spider, black like a cat, black like a pirate's flag, black like a bat. Baa, baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, pink sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Pink like bubble gum, pink like a blush, pink like a flamingo, pink a soft plush. Baa, baa, pink sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, red sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Red like an apple, red like a rose, red like a fire truck, red like Rudolph's nose. Baa, baa, red sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, orange sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Orange like a pumpkin, orange like a flame, orange like a tiger, wild and untamed. Baa, baa, orange sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, yellow sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Yellow like sunshine, yellow like a bee, yellow like a lemon, yellow bright and free. Baa, baa, yellow sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, green sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Green like grass, green like a tree, green like leaves, green so bright to see. Baa, baa, green sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Blue like the sky, blue like the sea, blue like a bird, blue as far can be. Baa, baa, blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, purple sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Purple like lavender, purple like a dream, purple like an amethyst, purple royal gleam. Baa, baa, purple sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, white sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags bags full. White like a cloud, white like milk, white like a spider's web made with silk. Baa, baa, white sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Baa, baa, rainbow sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple too. Black, pink, and white, all the colors for you. Baa, baa, rainbow sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Oh, hi! I'm Ms. KT. Are you ready for a rockin' and reading time? I'm here with A and T. Yes, and together they make at. Let's play a game. Can you make this beat? Now you try. Ready? Ah, that was awesome. Now, at what rhymes with at. Pick any beginning sound. It can be something that makes a serious word or a silly word. I like the letter Z. And it makes the sound Z. So Z, at, zat. Oh, zat rhymes with at. Now your turn. Any beginning sound. Do you have it?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Ready? At what rhymes with at. Your turn. Ready? Let's go.
Rhymes with
That was awesome. A and T really liked your rhyme too. Can you think of other words that rhyme with at? I'll see you next time.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Oh, hi! I'm Ms. KT. Are you ready for a rockin' and reading time? I'm here with A and T. Oh, it sounds like somebody else has come here to have a rockin' and reading time with us. I wonder who it could be. What sound do they make? What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I want to know, what sound does it make? Oh, hi, B. B? B is for ball. Ball. Help me out, friends. What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I want to know, what sound does it make? Oh, hi, C. C. C is for cake. Cake. Help me out, friends. What sound does it make? What sound does it make? I wonder what words these sounds will make when they are put together. I'll see you next time. Can you help me find Z? Oh, okay. Z says Z. Let's call Z by Z. Ready? Z, Z, Z.
Over there. Over there.
Do you see Z?
Yes. Yes. Look.
Where?
It's behind.
Huh?
There. Look. Yes. Down. Yes.
C. Zebra. Nice job. Can you help me find Z? Z, Z, Z.
It's there.
Do you see Z?
Right there.
Where?
Over there. No. Look over.
Huh?
No. Over.
Where
Yes.
is it?
Look.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, Z. Zigzag. Oh. Can you help me find Z? Z, Z, Z.
Look right there. Right
Do
there.
you see Z?
Yeah. It's over there.
Where?
Look. No.
Where?
Over. No. Behind you. Yes,
Z. Zipper. Can you help me find Z? Z, Z, Z. Do you see Z? Where?
Behind you. Yes.
Oh, Z. Zucchini. Zucchini. Awesome job. Ooh. Z. Ooh. Hey, I'm Ms. KT. Are you ready for a rockin' and reading time? I'm here with A, B, C, and T. Look, everyone is dancing. Let's go dance with them.
Act.
Did you hear that? It sounds like words, but which words? Let's blend it out and dance. Ready? Let's go! At. At. Bat. At. At. Cat. Bat. Cat. It's a bat. It's a cat. Ooh. What sentences can you make with the words bat and cat? I'll see you next time.
Mary had a little lamb. I said Mary had a little lamb. What Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Yeah.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.
Whoa, I have orange fur, not white fleece.
Oh, I'll fix it.
Thanks, man.
You got it. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, Diane was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Why am I not allowed to go to school with you?
Because it's against the rules.
And who's making up these rules?
It made the children yap and play, yap and play, yap and play. It made the children yap and play to see a yam at school. And so the teacher turned it out.
Out!
Turned it out.
Get out!
Turned it out.
Out!
And so the teacher turned it out. But still it lingered near.
Get out of here!
I just wanted to play with everybody. Can somebody let me back in?
He waited patiently about. He waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why did the whim of Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why did the whim of Mary so? The eager children cried.
Why, Mary loved the lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Lamb, you know. Why, Mary loved the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. What Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. That's me. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. What Mary had a little lamb. I said Mary had a little lamb.